What if you could be proactive on your YouTube channel? What if you could plan for the future and make the best videos possible and make YouTube a bit more easy for you to work on and a bit more fun for you to make videos? Every single year in the start of the year, a bunch of new creators go on the platform to create their YouTube channel. They're gonna go ahead with YouTube and they're gonna post videos and they have a good idea, Everyone is starting the race for 100,000 subscribers. So what can you actually do to improve your YouTube channel and maybe improve yourself? So the first thing you can do is one of my favorite quotes from Sean Cannell over at Think Media. He always says, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Basically, plan out your videos. Make sure that you have a script. Make sure that you have a rough idea of what your video is going to be about. Make sure that you are proactively thinking about your YouTube thumbnail. Let's say you have spent a bunch of hours recording and editing a really good video and you are really proud of that video. If no one clicks on the video, you will not get any views. If you have your title and your thumbnail, you can visualize on YouTube what is this going to look like. Would I be interested in clicking on that thumbnail? If the answer is no, change your thumbnail. Make sure that it's clickable, that you can read it on a mobile phone. Don't be afraid, share the thumbnail with someone that you know and they can give you feedback. Do the glance test, which basically is that you look at the screen and look really quickly to see if the thumbnail sticks out. I have recently started to script my videos. Before I used to only have like bullet points and that can probably work for you. But for me it was really important to get the ideas from my head down to the computer, take a few days, think about stuff, read it later on, change a bunch of stuff and just keep on working on the script and optimize it for a video. Going forward, I will try my best to use multiple locations. It could either be multiple locations just in my home, different rooms and stuff, to get a better sense of variation in your video. It's not only just me sitting in front of the camera, that's why I'm trying to use as much B-roll as I can, but in the future I would really like to move around to different locations, outside, inside and whatever, to get the video a bit like variation. Make sure that 2024 counts for you. Make sure that you are consistent on uploading videos. You don't need to upload videos every single day, but if we take a TV series as an example, they post a new video every Tuesday at 10 o'clock, and if you do the same thing, you will get returning viewers, you will get subscribers, you will get likes and you will get comments, because people expect you to post a video every Monday at 3 o'clock as an example. I try my best to post at least every single Monday from now on. And I really don't need to post every single day because people can expect me, okay, Esbjørn is gonna post a video every single Monday. If it's 3 o'clock or 11, I could be a bit late sometimes. Now I'm on vacation, so that can happen too. But what I'm trying to say is make sure that you are consistent so the viewers know, okay, this guy is serious about posting videos and he will return for me every single Monday, as an example. So yeah, like I said, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So make sure that you are grabbing 2024 and making the most of it, making the best videos that you can, make yourself the best version of yourself. And if you are a bit unsure of your niche and what you're gonna post on your YouTube channel, make sure that you're watching this video right here. Remember to subscribe and leave your favorite emoji in the comment section, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Esbjørn, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.